Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. Exercise number 19 for Punjab and Haryana High Court at the rate 80 word per minute. 400 words. Be ready. Start. He was therefore under no obligation to provide maintenance for her that he had already paid maintenance for her at the rate of rupees 200 per month for about 2 years, and that he had deposited a sum of rupees 3000 in the court by way of dower or mayor during the period of iddat. Stop. Next para. August 1979, the magistrate directed the appellant to pay a princely sum of rupees 25 per month to the respondent by way of maintenance. Stop. In a revisional application slid by the respondent, the High Court of Madhya Pradesh enhanced the amount of maintenance of rupees 179 per month. Stop. Hence, the appeal by special leave by the husband. The view taken in the earlier 2-3 judges benches of the Supreme Court presided over by Krishna Iyer J. and reported in Bragdman 1979 to SCR 75, and 3 SCR 1127, to the effect that section 125 of the code applies to Muslims also, and that therefore the divorced Muslim wife is entitled to apply for maintenance was doubted by the bench consisting of Fazal Ali and Vardharanjan JJ, since in their opinion the said decisions required reconsideration by a larger bench consisting of more than 3 judges, as the decisions are not only in direct contravention of the plain and unambiguous language of section 177(3)(b) of the code, which far from overriding the Muslim law on the subject protests and applies the same in the case where a wife has been divorced by the husband and the dower specified has been paid and the period of idadat has been observed, but also militants against the fundamental concept of divorce by the husband and its consequences under the Muslim law, which has been expressly protected by section 2 of the Muslim Personal Law Sharia Application Act 1937, an act which was noticed in the said 2 decisions. Para. Clause bracket may be of the explanation to section 125 bracket may 1 of the code, which defines wife as including a divorced wife, contains no words of limitation to justify the exclusion of Muslim women from its scope. Wife means a wife as defined irrespective of the religion professed by her or by her husband. Therefore, a divorced Muslim woman, so long as she has not married, is a wife for the purpose of Section 125. Stop.